Hello everyone, my name is Bhavesh Chakor and today's my video topic is garbage collection in Java. Firstly, we need to understand how memory is managed with the new keyword and this garbage collection. For example, if we create an object of a class student, so we will write it as new student. So whenever a class name is written with the new keyword, it dynamically creates the object of that class. So when object is created using the dynamically, it does not have any name. So to handle this, we need a pointer which will be pointing to this object, and the pointer will be the same data type as of the class, that is the student. So the final statement will be student s1 is equal to new student. Now the here s1, this s1 variable is created with the statically, that is so it will be allocated to the memory as a static memory allocation process. Now let's assume we write this object inside a one function or one block. So the after the execution of this block, the s1 will be removed from this memory, because the for this s1 variable, it is allocated in the memory as a static memory allocation process, and the lifespan or scope of static memory allocation variables are till the end of that function only, inside which they are written. Whereas the new student object will still be present inside the memory, because it is created using dynamic memory allocation process, and the lifespan of this dynamic memory allocation variables are till the execution of a program, and its lifespan is does not decision of a lifespan of a dynamic variables are does not taken by the JVM. So this problem will be the new student object will be on the memory, but we cannot use that memory, and this will be the wastage of memory. This problem is known as a memory leak. Now to handle this problem, the C++ provides the delete keyword, but in Java, here this problem is automatically handled by the JVM. Whenever there is a no reference variable pointing out to the any object, it is considered as this object is no longer needed, and it is cleared out from the memory. And this process of the clearing out this reference variable is known as a garbage collection. So whenever you run a Java program, the JVM runs three threads simultaneously. First thread is a main thread, second is a thread scheduler, and third thread is a garbage collector thread. The responsibility of this main thread is to execute the main function or the code. The responsibility of a thread scheduler is to schedule all the threads, and with the garbage collector thread, it looks for the abandoned or dead objects. So the abandoned objects are those objects which does not have any live references. So the objects which does not have live references are considered as a garbage blocks. And when these garbage blocks are identified the garbage collection, it is swept out from the memory by garbage collection. But before removing this entire block from this memory, the garbage block requests the garbage collection to give a chance to remove all the variables properly. And for this process, the garbage collection calls the finalize method for this garbage blocks. Now this finalize method is nothing but it is a method inside which a code is written to clear out all the reference variable which are pointing out using this object. uh, let's suppose if the student S1, the s1 variable is pointing out to the other variables using this object like s1 dot name or s1 dot marks. So even if we clear the object and its variable, the s1 dot name variable and its value still be present on the dot name and its value will be present on the memory, and it will be a memory wastage. So to clear out all the variables properly, this the code is written inside the finalize block. And the garbage collection calls for this finalize block for the garbage blocks. The finalize method is present inside the object class, and object class is a parent class of all the classes. Therefore, the garbage collection will automatically call for this class, even if we does not call for this, even if we does not extend this class, or it is not connected with our class with any inheritance. Then we can also override this finalize method, but it will not change any expected output, because the finalize method will be only effective if the garbage collection calls for this finalize method. And that's it with the process of garbage collection in Java. Thank you.